Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is super easy French dips in a crock pot. So I have 2 packages of the shaved beef and then 2 packages of the au jus gravy. Now, the original recipe I found on TikTok said to add 6 cups of water because that's following the back of the gravy packet. The first time I made that, it was just too watery. So this time I put in 3 cups, way better. Probably even do like 2 cups, but I did 3. And then I did take a fork to kind of push all the meat under the water, kind of stir it around just a tad. But this cooks pretty quickly. I think I had it on high for like 4 hours. Or you could do it low for 6. But the meat's so thin, it cooks very, very quickly. And the only other thing you need are some hoagie rolls and some provolone cheese. And this is what it looks like when it's done. So what I do is I put a hoagie roll in the air fryer just for a few minutes to toast it. Then I'll add the cheese to it. And you have to put like a toothpick kind of at an angle to hold the cheese down, or else it flies off in the air fryer. Then when that's melted, you just add the meat, slice it in half, put some juice on the side. Very easy lunch or dinner idea. And everyone in my family likes it, so that's a big hit for me. If you want to see more easy recipes, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.